Hello, my subscribers. Welcome to this new series of listening and writing. So here you'll be listening to an audio while you're writing down what you hear. Of course, in English and Luganda. Muluzungu no Luganda. Okay, enjoy the video.
Yesterday I met Anne and she seemed to be very surprised that I came back to town. Yesterday I met Anne and she seemed to be very surprised that I came back to town. Very surprised that I came back to town. Ejjo nasanze Anne era yalabise nga yeewuunyizza nnyo nti nze nakomyewo mu kibuga. Ejjo nasanze Anne era yeerabise nga yeewuunyizza nnyo nti nze nakomyewo mu kibuga. At first, she did not recognize me until I waved to her. At first, she did not recognize me until I waved to her. Mu kusooka yabadde tantegedde paka nze we namubuubidde. Mu kusooka yabadde tantegedde paka nze we namubuubidde. When I got closer to her, nze we namusemberedde, she burst into tears of joy and hugged me. She burst into tears of joy and hugged me. Ye yabwatukidde mu maziga ag'essanyu era n'ampa akafumito. 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 We talked a lot and we exchanged phone numbers. We talked a lot and we exchanged phone numbers. Ffe twayogedde bingi era ne twewa ennamba z'amasimu. Ffe twayogedde bingi era ne twewa ennamba z'amasimu. What a good day it was. What a good day it was. Lwabadde lunaku lulungi nnyo. Lwabadde lunaku lulungi nnyo. Okay, hope you've got something. Ndowooza oyina ky'oyiseemu. And can you mark yourself? How many words have you got right? And if you got them wrong, please review the video. Bye bye.